When I get close to the windows, the birds just shoo off. If I stay still, they'll be coming back. But this is my view. I love it. Isn't God so good? And then Zane, he's right here. Zane, say hi. Hey, say hi. Zane. Okay, everyone. If you don't like birds, I'm sorry. But I'm here. And this is hopefully going to be a quick video. Bright, snowy day outside, so been in crocheting. And just want to let you know that here is Adele and I's whip. I'm on ball number 14. This is the 14th ball. It's black. I hope I'm showing it correctly. I cheated. I looked. I wish it'd let you turn the viewfinder while you're videoing, but it doesn't. And then here's my daughter's blanket. It's getting up there, getting bigger. And I have gone from, see how I do the white, gray, blue, white, gray, blue, white, gray, blue, white. And now let me switch hands, and I'm on the gray. Started on the gray. Hope that's showing that good. Okay, so I'm back. That's two of my whips. And I'm going to show you a finished object. It's in my walk-in closet, so don't mind the mess. But it's my daughter-in-law's, I call her my daughter, but she's my daughter-in-law. Her name is Sam. She's cute as a bug. And this is going on her couch. There it is. If I can get a closer upper. I walk in and see I have blankets stashed in here. I'm saving them all up for like a craft fair and maybe try to sell some of them. This is my porch out here, and as you can see, I have tubs full of yarn. I keep them covered up because my cats jump on them. Here's another set. And then here's another set. Lift that up. And then I have two more up there. The top one is my giveaway tub. So, and then my room has got a bunch of plastic tubs in here. That's what I call. Anyway, so that was my finished object. And I wanted to bring up a couple of people. I watched Dina's Homespun Fun. You need to go watch that. She's a lot of fun. And through her, I learned about Limon's Crochet, but it's spelled Limon apostrophe. No, I don't think there's an apostrophe S. Limon Crochets. Limon. Let me tell you something. He's not bad to look at. He is super cute. Yep. This 63-year-old lady still looks at him. But he's the age of my son. And I can tell you my son is super cute. And my son has long hair. Longer than Limon's. So anyway, go check him out. I'm telling you what. He is talented. Oh my Lord. He is so talented. He can put colors together you would never dream of putting together. But he does it and it looks good. So go check him out. Let's see. Oh, you know what I never did show you? I got a happy mail from Monica Buck. She, you couldn't see her address. She's got a little... She put a little llama on the envelope. Isn't that cute? And she thanked me for the giveaway that she she won. And here's the card. I'm not going to open the inside because she writes in it. But thank you, Monica. I appreciate that. Monica Buck. I think that's how you say your last name. Okay. So, I don't know. I think that's about it of what I'm talking about. One thing I have to do is, I see this Dr. Chris that's like 3 hours away. He lives in Ashland, Missouri. Look what he's having me do. I have to take my temperature 3 times a day. I've already done 1 week. Do you know my temperature runs around 94, 95 degrees? I never would have known that had he not made me do this, but he's checking my hormones. But now I've got to do another week, and I subtotal them, and then I divide them by 21. So this is interesting. Wonder what I'll find out there. He's having me take peptides, which I'd never heard of before, but I'm reading. He told me to get this book, Peptide Protocols. An introduction to what peptides are, how and why they work in the brain and body, and how they can be used to improve health and outcomes. So I've taken them for a month and I do feel better. So I don't know. Is it that? I don't know. Be nice if that's really doing what it says it's supposed to be doing. Don't forget, tomorrow's Valentine's Day. Don't forget your significant other or your family, friends, whoever all you send Valentine's to. It's tomorrow, so don't forget. Let's see. I think that's about it. I'm sorry I haven't gotten on here any sooner. I do want to have another giveaway. Giveaway just left my brain. I couldn't come up with it. But I want to have another giveaway, and I'm trying to think of an excuse. I'm at 134 subscribers, and I thought I'd wait till I got to 150. But I may go to 140 because I just want to have another giveaway. Anyway, I love you guys and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and help me get my numbers up there if you don't mind. Share it if you'd like to. If you like what I do, I'd like that. But from my heart to yours, I love you. Bye.